Okay, guys. So today's topic is Jira, Jira tool. Okay, today's topic is Jira tool. So as I have discussed, we will discuss this topic in two classes. Today's class we will be completing all the related theory part. We will complete today, and tomorrow we are going to discuss about the Jira time practical. Okay. So in before going to that, okay, okay. In before going that, let me type Jira here. First of all, before going to say, have you seen Jira by Atlassian? First of all, Jira by Atlassian. If I click here, now here, this is the Jira page. This is the Jira page. If you want, you can see what are the products all related to the Jira. Here you can see here some of the types of products: Confluence, Rovo, Jira Service Management. Okay, some what is some collect service collection, software collections. If you do want here, you can see Jira, Confluence, Loom, Bitbucket. These are some integrated Jira. I will tell you everything. Torello, Product Discovery, Compass, Rovo Dev, Jira Align, Talent, Pipelines, customer service management, Focus. These things, the number of things here, whatever we have, these are all related. This will comes under the will integrate everything with this, and in real time industry they will get integrated. Now what everything happens is, first of all, what you have to do is, initially we have to create some account. Initially you need to create some account. Okay, after creating an account, you can start using this application. Okay, today whatever this registration process, everything I will tell you tomorrow, but today we are going to discuss about in Jira in detail, each and everything. What are the advantages of Jira, why we need to use Jira, what is the use of Jira. Okay, everything we will, what are the terminologies used in Jira. First we will learn all the terminologies whatever there in the Jira, then we can start the in practical, so that you can understand everything, because now you have the knowledge related to every terminology, then you can understand in simple. Okay, now before going to that, what is Jira tool? What is Jira? Everyone, or if everyone, anyone asks you what is Jira means, everyone will say it is related to some ticketing tool. In that way they will talk. Now coming to us, as of now remove this Jira tool. Let me go. Yes. Okay. What I can say is, let me write from here. Today every part is theory, guys, but very important. Okay. Now, first of all, Jira is, is my audible, right? And clearly, Jira
Yes,
is a
sir.
one of the tool. Okay. Jira is a one of the tool. We can say Jira. See, guys, in our project, currently we are learning one of the tool, that is Jira. First tool. Now, what is a Jira? Jira is a tool to organize the work, track and track what we to track, whatever the tasks they have been, they will track the tasks, and whatever the bugs they have created, they will organize these things, and they will manage projects in a structured and visible way. In a structured and visible way. So, now, Jira is a tool to organize the work, track tasks and bugs, and manage projects in a structured and visible way. Means whatever has been created in Jira, we can see not only me, everyone can see what was happening. If you open, suppose if there was a ticket assigned on your name, you cannot hide it. everyone can see what you are doing as per our, they can track what was the updates. If they want to they want to know how much work has been done, what was the progress, everything they can check from the Jira tool. It will be easy, visibility is everyone can see that. And everything whatever there is in Jira, everything will be organized in a structured way. Means everything, okay, we have created task, whether we have completed, we have whether not, how where the comments, everything will be in a, everything will be in a structured way. Now let me write one point. Instead of instead of sending mails, instead of sending mails, like, can I will write some point. Can like uh suppose, let me think, can you fix this bug? Did you finish that feature? Means whether have you completed that particular task? Who is working on login page? See, these kind of things. Normally, if you suppose, let us think there is a no Jira tool. What you have to do? Suppose if let us think there is a no Jira tool. What happens? You have to send a everyone. You need to send a particular email. Everyone you need to send an email. So that what happens? Okay, then they can. But can you say this is the right process? How many emails you can send every day like that? If you have small doubt, again mail, again one mail and mail. So can I sing, rather than sending mail, rather than sending mail, so you put everything. Let me give, not put, keep. You keep everything in Jira so that the whole team can see and track it. Guys, did you understand this point? Why we know, rather than sending mail is easy, or tracking in the Jira is easy.
Tracking data is easy.
Okay. Now, so that whole, so keep everything in Jira so that whole team can track it. This is the point. Now, this Jira used by software development teams. It used by software development teams, but also don't think it is only used by the software development team. It will be used by, also used by business, marketing and operation teams also this will be using. It is not like only software people only are using this application, Jira. Why? They will use to plan, work, track tasks and manage bugs. To track tasks and manage bugs, and to monitor the progress, and to monitor the progress. This was the normal why people are using. Already I told you here, to track everything. Just who are using it, not only software development team, but also business, marketing and operation team also will be using this. Okay. Now we have some Java products. Now we have some sorry, not Java, Jira products. Jira products. Jira products. Jira products. What is this Jira products? Let me draw one diagram, small table, so that it will be clear. Now, under this Jira products. Now, for project and purpose means what are the types? I want to just mention you what are the types. Now, Jira software, Jira service management, Jira service management, Jira work management, Jira work management, Jira work management. Now, under this Jira software, this is used by the Agile development team. Jira software will be used by the Agile development team. Will be used by the Agile development team. What about this Jira service management? This will be used by the IT support and service desks support team. Maximum they will use. Next, coming to the Jira work management. Who will use this Jira work management? Business and operation teams, they will use it. Business and operation teams. Here we have three types. In the Java service management, they will also be, they will calling in shortcut, they will call it as JSM. This is called JSM. These are the some types. If you go here, I have already shown some few things. If you go here, here we have products. Under the products, you can see Java service management, Jira in the same way. Means here we have everything. In that way, we have some types. Now, Jira software management, Jira work management. Now, completion. Now, what are the objectives of Jira? What are the objectives? Objectives of Jira. Now, coming to the objectives, what are the main objective is? It is to track the work items, to track the work items, improve team collaboration, how they will contact each other, support agile methodologies, whatever we have discussed, agile methodologies, provide visibility, everyone can see whatever happening. I can mention here into project progress. Improve productivity and accountability, ownership, and how the software production, how the production is happening, how the ownership, everything. They will check under these objectives. Guys, still here any doubts? Tell me. I think whatever the things we are discussing, that the basic parts till now here understood. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Now, now the next one is what is Jira used for? The main thing, what is Jira? What is Jira used for? What is Jira used for? Jira is used for tracking issues and tasks, project management, project management, bug reporting, bug reporting, and workflow management. What is these things? Workflow management. Workflow management. Now we will discuss each one. Under the tracking issues and tasks, under issues and tasks, guys, this is very easy to learn, very easy to understand. Jira is to learn. Jira is to, I can mention, Jira lets teams create issues, create issues. Otherwise, we can mention also in our native language, we can say also called as tickets in simple, such as bugs, tasks, bugs, tasks, user stories, futures, support requester. Support requester means these type of issues they may get. They will create like bugs, tasks, user stories, any future update, any issue. Support requester means any support team will be there. If they let me write what is bugs here. Bugs means bugs means a defect in a software. We know right already what is defect. What is a bug? A defect in a software. Now, what is meant by tasks? A task means a piece of work. A piece of work. User stories, user requirement, like that. Futures means any new things, updates. Support request means sub maintenance team will be there. These everything will be taken care. These everything will be taken care to means whatever type of issues, whatever we have, we can create these type of issues. Got it, guys? Here we can create these type of issues. Now, okay. These are some bugs, tasks, user stories, features, and support requester. These are maintenance team. Any related new updates, anything, they will create some issues, create tickets for that. Now, each issue, what suppose let us think we have some issues. Okay, suppose let us think we have an issues. What type of issues we have? Each issue, whatever the issue, each issue can have what will have one a description. Description is common. Second one, priority. Which type of priority? Which a priority is low, it is a priority is high, we have to do it now, we have to do it some after some time. Priority, it depends on priority, whether it is low priority, whether it is high priority, whether it is a medium priority. Next one is status. Status, what is status means whether it is completed or whether it is start. Like in simple I can mention to do, in progress, and done, like that. Some here we have description, priority, each issue. What if suppose if you create task, if whether you created bug, whether you created user story, whatever you do, everything you will be having description, priority. Priority like low, medium, or high priority. You will be having those type. Now coming to assigning. Assigning means whether it assigned to whom it has been assigned. That will be there. Next point, due date. When it should completed, what is the last date? Next one is comments. Comments and attachments. Comments and attachments. Guys, these are the things, each whatever you create, here whatever you create, here issues. Let me write here issue. I will let me write here. Let me write dark, this one. And in the same way, let me show that the thing here it is issue. Understood? Whatever the issue here we have, these all issues, these each issue, this each issue, what we can say, this each issue will have description, priority, status, assignee, due date, everything. So I can write one point here. So everyone knows who is working on what and what the current status is. So everyone knows who is Vasu. Suppose if you suppose whatever the task you have created, you will give the description, you will mention the priority, you will mention the status, you have mentioned assignee, would do that means as per this information, everyone knows who is working on what. Suppose assignee by assignee will not, and what the current status is. Guys, did you understood this one?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now after that, second one is the project management. Next one is the project management. Project management. What is this project management? In the word itself, we can say before that, before that, going to project management, let me write a one point. What is project? Let me write one point. What is project? What is project? A project is a, everyone will tell project. A project is a container. A project is a container for issues related to one goal or product. One goal or product. What is a project? Project is a container for issues related to one goal or product. Guys, do you get not now you get understood what is project first of all before going to the project plan?
Yes.
Okay. Now, whatever the task, whatever the product you have for that particular product, what you will do? You will plan. You will plan. Plan work in the project. Like convey into the into project means whatever the project has been assigned, what you will do as per the project. First, you will plan the work. Second one, he will organize all the tasks. Organize the tasks. Organize the tasks into backlogs, sprints. You can say our boards. For morning 8 a.m. batch, I have yet not discussed what is backlog, what is board. I will discuss in the next class. Okay. As of now, just think I have explained already what is the sprint. But as of now, just understand something like under the project management, everyone will organize the task. Whatever the task they will organize, they will write backlog, sprints, boards. They will organize the particular tasks. Now, what the project plan, and they will surely they will track the progress. Track progress using Scrum. We can mention otherwise we are not using more, but still Scanban. That also I need to discuss for the morning aim batch. As of now, please consider this is an put up a boards, Scrum board or a Kanban boards. Now, guys, did you understand what is project management or any doubt?
No.
Like here I've mention one point, guys. Reporting. Reporting are next bug reporting. Second one is the bug reporting. What is the bug reporting? Sir, not bug reporting. Yeah, I mentioned bug reporting. Okay, bug reporting or tracking. Okay, that anything is fine. Now, what they will do? Who will report the bugs? Developer will report the bugs. Developer will report the bugs. Who will verify? QA. QA will verify the. I can mention here. QA team will verify and create bugs and tracks and tracks. Now, if you have created any bug, then product teams means your product owners, clients, what they will do, they will ask, they will want to prioritize them. Hey, do it quickly, do it quickly. Means they will ask every day, they will not say do it quickly, but they will mention we need to complete as soon as possible this one. This is very priority one. So that is the reason what they will do. They will prioritize it. Developers, who will fix the bug? Developer will fix the bugs. Now, whatever happening, everyone can see this. Everyone can see this life cycle in Jira. Right here, developer will develop the application. Will develop the application, QA to verify and creates bugs and tracks if any issue founds. If any issue founds. Product teams prioritize them. Developer fix the bugs. Everyone can see this in the life cycle in the Jira. Now, the main point is here, product team prioritizes them. Now you clear every point. Any doubts under bug reporting?
No, sir.
No.
Clear, right?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Workflow management. Workflow management. Workflow management. Now, what is workflow management? Your workflow is the sequence. Workflow is the sequence of status on is the what I can mention. The workflow is the sequence of strategies. An issue goes through. I can mention here an issue goes. Guys, so guys, first you will confuse. Okay, if whenever we go in practical, these things will be very clear. Okay, now you can define workflows. To do in progress, code review, testing done. This is some workflow. What guys, workflow means here, what I will tell you, what is workflow here? Workflow means in whenever you create a Jira, whenever you create a bug or whenever you create a task, what happens? First, initially, the status will be to do. You have to make, suppose if you are working on this, the ticket is assigned for that. What you have to do if you have started working on it, you have to change the status to in progress. So, okay, in progress has been done. Okay, now you are doing under the review. You have to move the status to code review, then testing, then done. Then whenever it moves to testing, it will be assigned to the same ticket will be assigned to the testing team that it is going under the testing team. Working hours, everything you will be mentioning here itself. Got it? What is the workflow management?
Yes, sir.
Now reporting. Reporting and visibility. Jira provides reports. Means guys, suppose you are working something. What happens finally is you will be having some reports, final reports. What are the final reports? Sprint progress, how much the progress has been done. Sprint progress also you can see there. Sprint progress. The next one is burn down chart. We have not discussed, guys. This is one chart, burn down chart. How many issues are pending? How many things? Everything that we will check here. And the same way, everything we will discuss this one, velocity chart. And next one is workload by person. Workload by person. Next one, how many tickets are open versus resolved. That also we can see here. That also we can see here. These are the number of types of reporting. Guys, did you understand? Means how I am going in the flow. Hello guys. Able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See here, what is burn down chart? Let me write. What is burn down chart? A burn down chart. A burn down chart is a graph, guys. A burn down chart means it is a graph. Burn down chart is a graph that shows how much work that shows how much work is remaining. That shows how much work is remaining in a sprint over time. Means, guys, did you understand this point or not? Tell me first. A burn down chart is one type of graph, like how much work. Suppose you have 10 sprint 10 user stories. Suppose you have completed 8 user stories. How many have left? 2. Those things we can see in the burn down chart. Understood?
Yes, sir. Got.
Okay. Now coming to velocity chart. What is velocity chart? A velocity chart. A velocity chart shows how you can write source velocity source how much work the team can handle in future sprints. Future sprints means there will be some sprints. They will in the velocity chart they can how much the work team can handle in the future sprints. How they can handle. Burn down chart means graph of that shows how much work is remaining in a sprint over time. Velocity chart means shows how much work the team can handle in future sprints. Guys, did you see the difference? Had
Yes,
any
sir.
questions?
No, sir.
Clear? Okay. Now, the next one is who uses Jira? Who uses Jira? Who uses Jira? Guys, able to understand what I'm writing clearly? Every notes I'm writing here itself. Okay. Who uses Jira? Guys, Jira will be used by software developers, QA are test engineers. We are the testers, and the product managers are the product owners. IT support team, we will also use the Jira, and marketing and operation teams. I have given earlier one few points. I am giving everything here. Marketing and operation teams, and another one is DevOps teams like engineering team. They will also use this Jira. Means everyone will use in the IT industry. Everyone will use the Jira. Whether a developer, whether a tester, whether a supporting a maintenance team, everyone will use the Jira. Guys, did you get who? Now you got it. Who uses Jira? Any questions?
No, sir.
Next. Yeah. Any questions? Roles. Roles in Jira. What are the roles? Are agile team, I can say. Agile team. Agile team. Now, what are the roles? Now, what are the roles? Here, guys. Roles. You can this role. Role and responsibilities. Role and responsibility. Role and responsibilities. Product owner, Scrum Master, developer, tester or QA. Fifth one, project manager. In the same way, guys, it is like who uses Jira. Means I will told here we are mentioning Jira. Here we are mentioning role and define requirements. What they will do, they will provide the requirement, product owners, clients. What he will do, Scrum Master facilitates the process. Whatever he will communicate with the product owners and he will move the process further. Next is developer. What developer will do here? He implements the features. Whatever the features they have discussed, they will implement all the features. Next one, what tester will do? Test the product. Test the product. What project manager will do? Project manager will do plans and tracks. He will plan. He will whatever he plan. He will do all the plans. He will track all the progress. What tracks means tracks the track the not tracks. I can mention track the progress. Did you understood, guys? Is it clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, guys. Now one more. Next one is advantages of Jira. Next one is advantages of Jira. Advantages of Jira. Now, what are the advantages means? Let me write. First one, transparency, accountability, traceability, traceability, s- scalability, scalability, and another one is integration. Another one is integration. Now, guys, these are some advantages, but let me and explain each and everything what it is. Means transparency means everyone can see the project, everyone can see the project status, everyone can see the project status. Next one is accountability. Next one is accountability. What is this accountability? Means it is like a ownership. Each task has a owner. Each task has a owner. That is called accountability. Now, what is traceability? Traceability means under the name itself, it is like tracing. Tracing means tracking. Track history of changes. Whatever the changes, whatever has been updated, whatever you can do, everything you can track here. Means you can get to know when it has been changed, what are the changes. Okay, something change has been done. You can think like, okay, this change has been done today, this change has been done yesterday, this change has been done day before yesterday. Like this we can mention. What is scalability? Scalability is related to purpose of it works for small and large teams as well. It is not like it will be using only for the small, and it is only for small. How many team members they want to add, they can add here. Coming into the integration. What is integration? Integration means, guys, works with confluence. Confluence means, guys, it is very important. Confluence is very important. Next one is GitHub. Simple, I will write GitHub, GitLab, GitHub, everything. Not only this one, there are number of things you can do the integration with Confluence, Git. Number of things we will have, you can do that. Even with the email, you can link it. Even there will be another Zephyr. Some tools I have mentioned. Okay, these we can do some integration. Why? Because suppose whenever some changes has been, let us think some changes has been done, that note that we want to receive notification, we can use an email. Suppose some changes had, some code has added in the Git, that we can get those details in the using the Jira automatically. What is Confluence? We have by the Confluence we can create the documentation part. Whatever the documents you can have, you can everything you can update there. I will tell you. Okay, later I will tell you tomorrow how we can do that. Till it is clear. Advantages.
Mm.
Any questions still here before proceeding further? Hafiz and Ram Prasad both are clear.
Yes.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now the next topic is, so till now here understood everything, right? What is Jira and what advantages, who will be used, what are the roles under Jira, everything you understood.
Yes, sir.
Now we are coming with, now we have three more topics. We have three more topics. Let me start that. JQL. Have you ever heard this? What is JQL? This is a Java query language. Java query language. What is this Java query language? I will explain. Java query language. What is sorry. Sorry, in my mind every day Java. Shit. It is not Java, guys. It is Jira. Jira query language. Okay. Jira query language. Now let me write few points. What it is. 1 minute, guys. I need to send one message. Okay, let's begin. Now where we are, Java query Jira query language. What is this JQL? JQL is JQL is J JQL is a powerful search language. I can say JQL is powerful search language used in Jira to find and filter issues. To find and filter issues based on specific based on specific criteria. Based on specific criteria. Guys, here Jira query language, that JQL is a powerful search language used in Jira to find and filter the issues based on specific criteria. What is called this search language? Guys, normally, suppose if you open Instagram, if you want to search anything, suppose if you want to check my account, if you want to search my account, what you will do? You will go to the search and you will search it. In the same way, you will be having the Jira query language. There will be a search option. In that search option, what happens? Here you will write some things like I want this. Suppose you are typing in the Instagram, you are typing the name. You are searching by your search language is you are trying with which one? Your the username, Instagram username. Now here what we have to do, as per such language used in Jira, we have to use one such language. Why? What is the purpose? Let me show you. Let me tell you what is the purpose. Purpose is, guys, purpose is to search issues quickly, to create custom filters and request. Guys, what is this custom filters and request? You will understand in the next class. Okay, everything, whatever the theory part I'm writing, I will show you tomorrow in the next class in very clear. Okay, now how we will search it? What are the common words we will use to search it? The common words are like project, status, assignee, priority, and issue type. Issue type. These are some common words. With this, suppose you want to check only the project. Okay, fine. What about if you want to check with the project status, assignee, everything you want to check in common, with everything you want to check everything in link, then what you will do? If you want to check everything, what you will do? That is operators. Equals operator. This is called equals operator. And another one is not equal. This is not equals. Next one is in, and, or not. These are some operators. These are some operators we will use with these common fields. Let me write one example. Suppose you want to search something. Okay, you want to search something. Let me write one example. Project. Here you have to give the project name. You have to give some project name. Project equals to project name. What project name you have to give here? You have to, like, let me give any project name. ABC. My project, let us hope our project name is ABC. Now, I don't want only this project only related. I want to check my some status as well. Suppose I am the project manager. I want to check because in the Jira, in your project might be there are number of applications, not only one applications. In the particular project, suppose you are working on some educational project, let us think. In that particular project, you will be having number of applications. Okay, we will be having number of applications. In the same way, what we have, suppose let us think we have one application, let us ABC application. No, what I am checking, I want to check the status. Already I told you here. Do what is the status to do in progress code review. I want to check how many are there in progress. Next one. Next one is, this is one thing. Here and you want to check another assignee. What is assignee here? What you will give? Suppose let me write here Varun IT. This is one of assignee name, means who has been assigned to particular task. Suppose that is the task has been assigned to me, that I will assign. The assignee means whoever. Sorry guys. Assignee means the task will be assigned to whom the task has been assigned. Got it? Now, and I had told you priority. See, I used project status assignee. I'm using priority as well. Are you observing?
Yes.
Priority is high or low. Now, issue type. What is the issue type? Issue type is whether it is a bug, whether it is here. I told you somewhere. See, issue. These are types of issue or not? Bug, task, user stories. Everything is types of issue. Each issue will have these type of descriptions. Now you got it. Why I have written there? Issue type is bug. Issue type bug and okay. Now guys, this is the one. See, now let me tell you. Now tell me whether we have covered everything or not here. Common fields.
Yes.
Okay. In the same way, I am wrote with everything I want, so I keep and. If you don't want, suppose if you don't want like any other things, then you can keep not. See, suppose if you don't want to check issue type as, here you want issue type as bug. If you don't want, you can keep as not. Got it? Suppose,
Yes.
let me tell you. Suppose we have issue type one bug, task, user stories. Here I don't want bug. I want to see only task and user stories. I want to see two issue types, but I don't want to see bug. Then what you can do, you can make it as not. Then you will not see the bug related any things. You can see only the user stories and other things. Got it? It's clear?
Yes.
Means
Sir,
in this way, yeah.
these are like a SQL is operators, right? In
Yes, not only SQL, even in the Java, wherever these are the common operators. Even you learn any programming language, anything, Java, Python, .NET, this JavaScript, wherever you go, these operators are common.
okay.
Okay, not only in this, if you go to we will have the Splunk. Actually, in real time, we will be having the Splunk as well. Even the Splunk as well, we will write the search query like this only. Because the Splunk will be used to check the logs, whatever the logs will be printed, right? Whenever we get any issues or not, we can check. You check by using the logs.
Yes.
Understood? This one
Yes, sir.
clear, right? Now, what are the benefits? What are the benefits with it? What are the benefits? As by that, I can see saves time in searching. Agree? Improves tracking and monitoring. Now tell me guys, till now you are clear or not? I'm going to the next topic. Are you understood JQL? What is JQL?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next one. Automation in Jira. Automation in Jira. What is this automation in Jira? Guys, automation in Jira means allows users to automate the repetitive tasks. Repetitive task means whatever the task you will do everything the same task. Suppose if you want to do the same task every day, rather than doing the same task every day manually, what you will do? You will do the automation. Means whatever the repetitive task you will automate that process. But we will not do already. That will be just we will use that. Okay, I will tell you how it is. And what is this use? Whenever automation means it is reduce what manual work. Whenever we have automated anything means what happens? Manual work get reduced. Now, what are, I will tell you, I will give some common automation rules. Common automation rules. What are these common automation rules? Now you will understand what how this task means, what this repetitive task and workflows means. Allows, sorry, I can write automatically assign users, otherwise you can assign issues. Suppose let us think testing team has created some bugs. Testing team has created some bugs. What happens? It will automatically issues assigns when created. Means suppose a testing team has created some issue. It will assign to the testing team. Okay. Now, now change status when conditions are met. Whatever the status we have, right? As per the status also we can automate. Send notifications. Send notifications on updates. Suppose any update has been done. Any update has been done. You can get those notifications. You can get those notifications. You can create, suppose you have created one task. You want to create some subtasks, task under task. You can create it automatically also. Understood why we have told automation automated here in the Jira? I will tell you, I will give small example, then you will understand. Suppose I want to automate. What I want to automate is, let me write that. What I want to automate, if I will write one condition, if issue type, if issue type equals to bug. Suppose every testing family has created one bug. Issue type is bug. And suppose priority is high. Let us think. Priority is high. Priority high means everyone should check on priority. Okay. Whenever we have priority, then assign to directly. If anyone has created a bug, naming the priority, anyone has created the bug, and with the priority high, assign to the senior developer. Assign to senior developer. He will take care. Senior developer. And not only that, and notify team as well. And notify team as well. Guys, do you understand? Suppose, let us think you are on leave or something. Let us not leave, some you are away. Otherwise, some has not checking. Everyone they are not to checking going into the Jira. Sorry guys, 1 minute. Now, if issue type is bug and priority high, assign to senior developer, notify them as well. See, now what happening here? Now what happening here means if anyone a testing team, if testing team has created a bug, if testing team has created a bug with a high priority, then directly it assigned to the senior developer. Directly assigned to the senior developer. No need to wait. This is one automation part. And notify the team as well. Guys, did you understood this one? How automation here?
Yeah.
Now, benefits. What are the benefits? Benefits means it saves time. It saves time. And as well, it reduce the human error. Can I say this one? Reduce the human error. If human makes the mistake, the machine will do, automation code will do whatever we written as per our own. It will do the same task daily. Okay. Now, that's it, guys. Benefit. Did you understood now this one? Automation in Jira. Sorry, Jira.
Yes, sir.
Jira query language understood. Automation in Jira. Last topic we have left, that is integration, guys. The last topic we have left is integration in Jira. Integration in Jira. What is this integration in Jira? What is this? What is this integration in Jira?
Connecting different software, sir.
Connecting different
Different
software
software
tools.
tools.
Okay. Connecting different software tools. Now, guys, let me write one point. Integrations allows Jira to connect with other software tools, with other software tools, with other software tools. Understood this point? Jira to connect with other software tools so that information can be shared, can be shared automatically, can be shared automatically, can be shared automatically between them. Means Jira and the software tools. Got it this point or not? Tell me. Understood this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now let's go to the next point. One minute, guys. Now, this is a point done. The next one is, what is the purpose? What is the main purpose of into what happens while we do integration? What is the purpose? as per this, suppose, can we tell, let me write one point, we can avoid the duplicate entry. Suppose we may the duplicate, what duplicate data, suppose you have entered one data manually, the next day I have came into I worked on, again I entered same thing, so I can say we can avoid the duplicate data entry. Now whatever the activities to connect development, to connect development, testing and deployment activities, testing deployment activities, whatever we have, these everything, what happens, this everything, whatever the activities that we can connect here, means whatever GitLab, suppose every activities they will update, commit, everything, whatever the activities they will give, we will get the information in the Jira as well. That is one thing by integration. Now to improve team communication is one important, team communication also, means everyone will be at one point. Suppose if one has done one work, means everyone will can see that, everyone will be on one point. If you suppose someone, suppose let us hope they have not done hit the Jira, they have not integrated this one GitLab or something, some people will say it was deployed, some will say it is not deployed. There's suppose if you see here Jira, it will be get notified directly, rather than going into the checking in the GitHub every time. Here only we will get one notification. Got it? Now to provide end to end, to provide end to end project visibility, we can provide the end to end project visibility also, how the things going on, how means everything we can see here. Got it? Guys, did you are able to understand or not?
Yes.
Now let me write few points. Common Jira integrations, common Jira integrations. What are those common Jira integrations? Common Jira integration, first one is, let me write few things. Confluence, okay, Confluence is one integration. Second one I can mention Microsoft Team, Microsoft Team. Third one I can mention email. Fourth one I can mention Git, GitLab or GitHub, GitLab or GitHub. These are some, guys. These are common some Jira integrations. Okay, these are some common Jira integrations. What this is used? This is used to link. Confluence means Confluence is used for a documentation part. Link document, whatever the documentations were done in the Confluence, those Confluence ways will link with the Jira tickets. Guys, did you understood the first point? Confluence means, in the Jira, Confluence means we will create whatever the documentation part, whatever we have, that each and everything we can do the documentation part in the Confluence, that we can link with the Jira tickets. Got it? Are any questions? Now Microsoft Team, any Jira notifications, any Jira notifications in chat, get any Jira notification in the chat. What you with the Jira you can integrate Microsoft Team as well. Whatever the changes that anyone is doing, then you will get some notification in the chat. That also you can do that. In the same way, whatever you are doing for anything, suppose if you want to, suppose let us think someone created some issue and updated the issue, create and update issues via email. You can receive issues via email. Understood this? Guys, please confirm. In the same way, link code commits and pull requests. Link code commits and pull requests to Jira. Issues. What is these things? Means, suppose, let us think someone has suppose what is this git pull and git commit means, suppose someone has pushed the code, means someone has whatever the code they have written, they have kept the code in the GitLab, means they are committed. After keeping that, they are committing, and after that they want to copy to IDE into their local, then it is called pull. Commits and pull request, whenever anyone is doing that, they can request to the Jira as well, not Jira issues, Jira, to Jira. Everything is clear, or anyone any doubt, guys? This integration part.
So can you explain one more time, sir? This
Yeah, I will tell you once.
integration.
Okay. Now, normally we have Jira. You know Jira tool, right? We know Jira. Now, what happens? This Jira tool, what is integration Jira tool? It will connect with the other software tools. It will connect with the other software tools. What happens? Whenever you connect with the other software tools, it will some information can be shared between two applications. Got it? It is like a partner. Jira and some tools are friends. Now, now let us Jira and Confluence are friends. What is Confluence is one of the tool in Jira. This Confluence, what this Confluence does means, this will in the Confluence, whatever if you want to do the documentation part, that documentation part you can keep in the Confluence. Every documentation part, architecture, diagram, your project related, every task and every related stuff, they will keep in the Confluence space. If you want to know whatever project is related to you will go into the Confluence, you will check it. Everything they will keep there. Confluence. What you will do with that Jira, you will link with the Confluence. When what happens, whoever had updated any Confluence players, any want to documentation with the Jira tickets, anything, you can get the updates. Microsoft Team. Suppose if anyone have updated anything in the Jira, you will get the notification in the chat. Suppose email. Suppose there was an issue, I have created some issue. Let us think there was an issue, I have created an issue. So that creation issue, suppose I have updated any issues, means the types of issues we have, right? If I admit any task or anything, that we can receive through the email. If you want as per themes, as per the email, whatever you want, you can link it. Integration. What is GitLab, GitHub? Whatever GitLab, GitHub means whatever the code we will store, right? That is GitLab and GitHub. Whatever the link code means Jira, we can check that from Jira as well. Link, we can get all the notifications. Code commits, we can see whoever anyone requested or not, that we can get everything notification in the Jira. Did you understood now or any doubts?
No.
Clear, Hafiz, now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ram Prasad, you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, guys, now almost we are done, right? Almost we have done. We have few things, okay, that we complete and we will wrap the session today. Okay, that will take 10 minutes more. Okay, now the next one is we are saying integration, but how it happening? How integration works? How integration works? Let us know that. How integration works. Now, how integration works means, first, Jira is connected. Jira is connected to an external software tool, to external software tool like mentioned above. Okay, like GitHub, like example, Git, email, Confluence, some it is some etc. Not only these guys, you will be having more, but commonly using I have just mentioned some. Now tools using external tools like this using a plugin using a plugin as per this plugin what happens as per this plugin they will connect with the other software. Now this is done by how it will be done. This is done by installing a plugin. It will be done by installing a plugin. Okay, how will you install? We can communicate as with the we will have something called built-in connection option. As per using the built-in connection option in Jira, we can install the plugin and we can do the integration. That we will discuss tomorrow. No issues. Connection. Jira. Now second one. Okay, we have done till here. You are right. Good. How integration works. Second one. The next point is when something happens. When something happens in a tool, in any tool, the information will be sent will be send to will be sent to Jira. This is one point. Another point is Jira updates the issue automatically without manual work. Without manual work. How sir manual? See guys, now suppose let us think issue has created. Okay, someone has created issue, then we are getting through the email. As per Jira, we have whenever something is done, it will get to the GitLab. And suppose if any issues there, we will get the email through the Jira only. Okay, it will automation process or not. Whether we are doing anything. Guys, please tell me whether we are doing anything.
No.
Now let us see few things without integration and with integration. Then we can discuss the benefits, and that is the final topic. Okay. Now guys, now see here it is without integration. Without integration. This is with integration. Without integration, and this is with integration. Here we have two things. Okay. Now see, suppose first I will write whatever there under without integration, then we will go the with integration. First one, developer. Let us think developer updates GitHub. Here also same thing. I will explain. Developer updates GitHub. Here then manually updates Jira. I'm just telling what is the difference here. for both. Here both I'm selling process. Here develop updates GitHub. Here what happens? Manual updates Jira. Here when developer get updates on GitHub, what happens? Jira updates automatically. Jira updates automatically. What is the next one? What is the next one? Then informs the team. First he will check manually and then informs the team. Under this here, under here, what happens? First developer will update the GitHub. Then what happens? He will then manually updates Jira. Again, he need to go to the Jira and he had to update the Jira. Then he should informs the team. Everything is doing manually. But here what it is happening? Here developer updates. Here developer updates GitHub. Here developer updates GitHub. What happens here manually works, but integration Jira updates automatically. Team can see the progress. Team can see the progress in the Jira and they will notify it. Now you understood guys this one? Are any questions? Shit. Okay, let it be for today. Guys, tell me, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what are
Yes,
the
sir.
benefits? Yes, yes. What are the benefits? Benefits of integration. Now, let us write some benefits. Now, let me write some benefits. What are the benefits? Can I say saves time? Guys, can I say saves time?
Yes.
And reduce manual work. Reduce manual work. Reduce manual work. Now, second one. Data accuracy is fine. Improves exact data we will get. Accuracy of data. Improves data accuracy. So suppose if we go through human, suppose there we copy, there we can see 5. If we get here, sometimes we do mistakes, right? Human mistakes. Sometimes we will do human mistakes. At that scenario, it will be difficult. We will see some issues. Now, after that, increases transparency. Means the visibility. What we have explained here, transparency means see here, I have already explained. Everyone can see the project status. Okay. Here in this, everyone can see the status. Means I want why we are writing this point here is because transparency here also increases transparency. Every whatever the notification, everyone can see here. Because everyone will get notified. Okay. Now another thing. Suppose if someone has created some issue that will get delivered, who will deliver? Senior developer. It will get delivered to the senior developer. Let us think. Suppose let us think he will take the faster decision. What we have to do for this one? Developer will take or not? So faster decision making. Enables faster decision making. Integrate because we will get notified as well. Okay, everything we will get to know the information. So everything we will be done on time. Now tell me guys, are you clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Understood? This is about the Jira guys. This is about complete Jira. Any doubts?
No.
Is everything clear? Now are you able to understand what is Jira? In
Yes.
practical, I will show you. But as of theoretical part, did you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everything point to point. Now you no need to prepare any notes. Okay.
Okay.
If you go through the slide related to Jira, it is fine.
Okay.
I have
Okay,
given each and everything, every point here itself. No need to go and check anywhere. You can whatever Jira related, you can refer this. It is fine. Let me see that. I think we have maximum. We covered all the things. Things, yeah.
but for syntax for JQL is the same what you written. It's only a different one is this.
What I didn't get you.
JQL.
We have normally we can write JQL. Other if you on the application you can search actually. Normally you can search and you will be having some filters there as well. You will be having one option like filter. You can use that one also.
Means same syntax we used or different another one is there. Means if you
Same
are
sentence. You
using
will use same sentence. It's whatever that you have created, na same thing. But only you need to change the project name. What as per the status you will change. SNE you will change the name. Priority you want low or high you will keep it. If you type whether the bug or a task you will keep it. Here I told right types of issues. What are the types of issues? Bugs, tasks, user stories.
okay,
Okay.
okay, sir.
Yeah. This is about guys Jira. Okay. If any topic I have missed in theoretical part, I will check it once, cross check, and if anything is pending, I will just tomorrow I will discuss that theoretical part as well, and we'll check the Jira as well. Okay. And everyone try to create your own account, free account. It will be there. Take see, don't create on your own email ID. Create some dummy email ID and log in with that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that's it, guys, for today's class. If let